Here's a quick sneak peek of how I have adapted a NEMA 23 stepper motor into an Align style milling machine power feed. Got a simple SSD 1306, I think, OLED display. Got a little power supply board to drop my 24-volt power supply down to things that are safe for my logic level. Um, Ubiquitous rotor encoder with a button for changing the normal speed. Still using the original potentiometer for the maximum rapid speeds, which I find is dependent on how much load there is on the stepper motor. The faster you go, the less torque you have available. So I decided to leave that adjustable. The rapid speed button is in the same place, it works as usual. So I'm going to turn the encoder here, go up to a little faster speed. Oh, I found a bug. It just rebooted. Okay, and then if I hold down the encoder button for a couple seconds, it'll switch to metric. And it'll save the settings between reboots as long as the setting hasn't changed for 30 seconds or so. So moving to the left. Let's go rapid to the left. Moving to the right. It waits for it to stop first before it moves to the right. Rapid to the right. Back to stop again. There we go.